Well, in today's unboxing, we'll be doing one of the latest releases from Hornby in their TT 120 range, and that would be the little 08 shunter. So the 08 is as common as in the UK, and they would have been found in every conceivable carriage yard, shunting yard, goods yard, industrial sidings, plying their trade, just moving and shunting coaches or wagons. Pretty mundane stuff. We just talk about oiling points. First thing I can sort of see, and you won't pick it up in the camera, is a bit of rudimentary sort of cab interior. There we go. It's brand new, it's out of the box. What did you expect? Come on. Okay. Yes, the range is moving along very quickly, so it's a bit of an update for what's available, and this is also probably one of their newest locos to date.